I still feel that some of you are still not able to differentiate between need and want. To know the differences, please keep watching. Hello dear YouTube viewers. Good to see you all once again in a new video session. We have all heard about the articles in English, that is the and an usage. We all have studied that has to be used before a consonant and an has to be used before a vowel or a vowel sound. For example, the A, E, I, O, U, the vowels, whatever we have studied during our school days. But yet people are still in a confusion that where should we use an or where should we use a. So today's session is to clear this confusion what few numbers of people still are suffering with. The and form, it is, as we know, that it has to be used before a vowel sound. But yet there are certain people who don't know when to use these and they just start stammering, or they just show their confusion, and just because they are confident enough they just speak it out, knowingly or unknowingly, that they have committed an error. So today let me tell you something about this usage of a and an. All the consonant sounds require a, alright, but there are certain words which might require an when you think that it requires a, and certain words it might require a but you might think that it requires an. So this is what is going on. So let me show you an example. Each and every alphabet, all the alphabet, the 26 alphabets, has got its own spelling. For example, the letter A has got A and E. That is A, the pronunciation A. The letter B has got again its own spelling, that is B and E. The letter C again has got its own spelling, that is S and I. C, it is pronounced as C. So this is the way how different letters are spelled. For example, if you take F, it is E and F. If you take M, it is E and M. If you take N, it is E and N. Alright, encyclopedia, E-N. So this is how each and every alphabet in the English language is spelled. Now, for example, there is an abbreviation of the Federal Bureau of Investigation, that is FBI. When you write it, you can go ahead like, FBI, it's all right. But when you speak it out, what do you think? Is it a FBI or an FBI? That is a confusion. Because F is not a vowel. F is simply a consonant, as everyone knows. So there is a confusion in this. Actually, the spelling of the alphabet F is E-F. So E is a vowel sound. F is a vowel sound. E-F. So it has to be an FBI. I hope you have understood this part. Now, the member of Legislative Council. So we can say that, he's an MLA. He is an MLA, not a MLA. It is he is an MLA, because M has got again the vowel sound. The spelling of the alphabet M is E and M. So again a vowel sound. So it has become an MLA. Now another confusion. That is, can you please tell me, is it a university or an university? When you write, okay, you can write it as an university, but when you speak it out or when you communicate, you're not supposed to say an university. Though U is a vowel, it has to be a university. Now the question might happen, why? How come? I have been taught something like this by my teachers, or I have been speaking something like this and no one corrected me yet. But how come I'm having this confusion? It is very simple. You, yes, according to you and according to me also, as taught by our teachers, U is a vowel. It's a universal fact. but there is something called as university. University. What is the spelling of U now? It is Y-O-U. Whenever you chat with your friends in WhatsApp, when you say, "Are you fine?" you don't write A-R-E and then Y-O-U and fine. No. You just go the short form, right? So you just type R, then the letter U, R-U, then fine, F-N-9. That's how you do it. This Y-O-U is transferred into U itself. So Y is not a vowel. It doesn't give you a vowel sound. So university is actually a university and not an university when it comes to the communicative form of English. So these are certain confusions. So just get rid of this confusion. Okay, it might take time, but frequent practice will make you perfect in this particular usage of an article. Now again, most of us don't know the difference of the word need and the word want. Need and want. Both have got, but we all think that want is the synonym of need or need is the synonym of want. It's not the fact. They both have got their own different meaning. Actually, the differences between need and want is, need is something that is very much essential for you. You can't live without it. That is called as need. So for example, we need food to live. We can't say we want food to live. No. We need food to live. We need shelter. We need a house. Or we need clothing. Okay? So need is something which we human being can't survive without. But when it comes to wants, it is something, it is just greedy. Something which you just, for example, a vanilla ice cream, a vanilla cup ice cream which comes up to say 10 rupees to 20 rupees is a need. It's alright. It is also a want, but for the time being it is too hot and you require some cool or chilled intake. Okay, you would like to consume something very chilled, so you can go for an ice cream. Now you have got options. That is, in one box there is all these 10 rupees ice creams, but in the another box you'll find the ice cream of 50 rupees, even 100 rupees. But you just trying to be a spendthrift over there. You don't want the 10 rupees ice cream. Though the quantity is the same, you go for the costly ones. That is maybe 50 or 100 rupees, but the quantity is the same. So you opting for the costly one is a want. Alright? Something which is optional, but you need it, it is want. You can use the word want for something which is optional. You need it or you might even not. Your wants is something which doesn't give you any loss if you don't have it with you or if you don't get it. For example, your well water can quench your thirst and it is absolutely free. But you're going for a bottled water, which is available in supermarkets or the nearby stores. You pay 20 bucks and you buy a bottled water. That is a want. Actually, water is a need, but you consuming the water available in your well is a need. But to quench your thirst, rather than drinking the water of your well, you go all the way to the store, pay 20 rupees, buy a bottled water, the mineral water. That is a want. So this is the difference between need and want. Let me repeat the explanation. Need is something which is very much essential. That can be a loss of life if you don't have it. For example, your food, clothing, shelter is a need. Wants is something which you don't have, you might still survive. I hope you have understood the differences between the need and the word want. Thank you so much, and we'll be back once again with the new knowledge and information. Take care.